News Kerala. തെലുങ്ക് ചിത്രം പുഷ്പയുടെ പ്രമോഷന്റെ ഭാഗമായി അല്ലു അർജുനും രശ്മിക മന്ദാനയും സംഗീത സംവിധായകൻ ദേവിശ്രീ പ്രസാദും കൊച്ചി ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഹയാറ്റിലെത്തി. 2 ഭാഗങ്ങളിലായി എത്തുന്ന പുഷ്പ സുകുമാറാണ് സംവിധാനം ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. തെലുങ്കിനോടൊപ്പം തമിഴ്, ഹിന്ദി, കന്നഡ, മലയാളം എന്നീ ഭാഷകളിലും ചിത്രം പ്രദർശനത്തിന് എത്തുന്നുണ്ട്. മുറ്റം സിറ്റി മീഡിയയുമായി ചേർന്ന് മൈത്രി മൂവി മേക്കേഴ്സാണ് ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ നിർമ്മാണ നിർവഹണം. റസൂൽ പൂക്കുട്ടിയാണ് ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ ശബ്ദമിശ്രണം. പീറ്റർ ഹേനും രാം ലക്ഷ്മണനുമാണ് ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ ഫൈറ്റ് മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ്. ആര്യ 2 എന്നീ ചിത്രങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം അല്ലു അർജുനും സുകുമാറും ഒന്നിക്കുന്ന ചിത്രം കൂടിയാണ് പുഷ്പ. ബൻവാർ സിംഗ് ഷെഖാവത്ത് IPS എന്ന പോലീസ് ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥനായി ഫഹദും ചിത്രത്തിൽ മികച്ച വേഷം കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
Kerala, we've just been told that we're the most literate state and the most well-mannered state.
First of all, sincere apologies for the delay. The President of the Producers Association, Mr. Ranjit, the Producers Association, the Film Distributors Association President, Mr. Siyad Kokar, Allu Arjun sir, who's become a one of the most other state celebrated artist over here.
Not semi, sir, full.
And I'm very happy to be associated with the film. And I promised him that this will be his biggest release in Kerala. And we are releasing the film in 250 theatres on Friday. And along with that, Rashmika ma'am, she has been very popular over here because of Geeta Govindam was one film which did very well over here. And without the music of Devishree Prasad, it is not possible. And Pushpa has so many songs which will bring you back to the theatres in repeat mode. I myself am listening to all the songs again and again. I thank the beautiful team for taking the time out to come to Kerala. And amongst all your busy schedule, I have been following what all you all have been going through. Thank you all for coming over here. Thank you. I just asked Mr. Ranjit and Mr. Siyad to say a few words.
I'm really thrilled to have a reputed guest over here, Allu and ma'am and the music director and everybody. Definitely Allu Arjun is having I don't know how to explain, because being a distributor president, I'm getting calls from people, theatre people, saying that they want a special show. As Allu Arjun's fans are waiting for the show, so ask the distributor friend of mine, Vishal Mehta, to allow them to have a fan show as Mohanlal and Mammootka's. So definitely there will be special shows for Mr. Allu, and thank you very much for this visit, and definitely it's a nice time. Definitely my wishes for the film. Thank you very much.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. മലയാളത്തിൽ മോഹൻലാൽ, മമ്മൂട്ടി, പൃഥ്വിരാജ്, അതുപോലെ ഒരുപാട് താരങ്ങളുണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ തെലുങ്ക് ദേശത്തു നിന്നും മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇത്രയധികം ആളുകളെ ആകർഷിച്ച ഒരേ ഒരാൾ ശ്രീ അല്ലു അർജുൻ മാത്രം. ശരിക്കും ഇവിടെ മലയാളികളുടെ ഒരു യൂത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്റ്റാർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ പറയുന്ന ഒരു സൗത്ത് മുഴുവൻ അല്ലു അർജുൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരാളിലേക്ക് വന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. മലയാള ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയുടെ എല്ലാ സപ്പോർട്ടും ഉണ്ടാകും. ദേവശ്രീ പ്രസാദ് ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല സോങ്സ് ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഡാഡി മമ്മി വീട്ടിൽ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന പാട്ടുകൾ ഇവിടെ സൂപ്പർ ഡ്യൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റാണ്. മമതാ മോഹൻദാസ് പാടിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്, മലയാളി ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റാണ്. അതുപോലെ ഗീതാ ഗോവിന്ദ ഹീറോയിൻ, എല്ലാവരെയും നമുക്ക് ടോട്ടൽ എല്ലാവരെയും ഞങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സിനിമ വലിയൊരു വിജയമാവും, സൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
you so much. You all please take your seats. All right. So he is the hit maker. And the first time I saw a picture of Devi Prasad, I was expecting this ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ആള്. ഞാൻ നോക്കിയപ്പോഴേ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു എന്റെ ദൈവമേ ഇങ്ങനെയാണോ? Okay. How does it feel working with the same team of Arya and now this?
Yeah, before that, hi, a very big hi to Kerala, the beautiful Kerala. Before I start, എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ? ഊണ് കഴിച്ചോ? അவ்வளோதான் தெரியும். Okay, first of all, let me tell you all that it's a great pleasure being in this place, this beautiful place. And after I landed, well, on the way to Hotel Itself, I started getting down. Stop the car, I want to get down. Stop the car because it's so beautiful and it's a photographer's pleasure to be here. And I was clicking pictures all over. And thank you all for inviting me, inviting all of us here. And we are going to have a great time. And yeah, now coming to Pushpa.
How does it feel with the same team of Arya and Pushpa? Is the pressure really high that you have to...
Yes, my dear friend and brother and your dear icon star, Mallu Arjun. Actually, one விஷயம் எனக்கு தோணுச்சு. எப்படின்னா Kerala is called the God's own country, right? அதனால God முன்னாடி டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாரு. That's why when he was born, they named him, அவங்க வீட்டு பேர் Allu Arjun. God knew that in future he would be called as Mallu Arjun. So I think it was all decided. So and I could see, I always see the love and we are all like Chennaiல வளர்ந்தவங்க. We all knew each other from way back, you know, childhood friends and all that. So எங்க வீட்ல எப்படின்னா whenever they see Bunny's success, my mom, dad, everybody like they just celebrate his success because he's like எங்க வீட்டு பையன் மாதிரி. So இன்னைக்கு இங்க வரும்போது the way you're welcome and அந்த சண்டை சவுண்ட் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஆக்சுவலா பன்னி முன்னாடி போகும்போது நீங்க எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம் பின்னாடி சண்டை சவுண்ட் டான்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஆடிட்டு இருந்தேன். So I really enjoyed the great musical welcome and working with the Sukubai as we really call him. Actually he's a man, I think இன்னைக்கு இந்த euphoria in the Pushpaங்கிற ஒரு what you call this different kind of a movie, இதோட origin வந்து Sukubai. And he is also very very dear and ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே வந்து for both of us Suku is like our dearest brother. So both of us are missing him. Even Bunny was saying that he's really missing him, but he's with the final work. And thank you Sukubai for this great film called Pushpa because Bunny oda makeover irukattum, Rashmika oda makeover irukattum, and all the artists, Sunil sir, Linda number Fahad Fazil sir, ellarume வந்து they're looking very different and I think we should give a big round.
All right, now we know about the backstory of this movie. We need to know about how this movie became really beautiful, and that's because of the music. And we also know that you sing. So you need to sing us one line of a song before we see the song. Please.
நான் மலையாளத்துல பாடியது ஏதாவது
அதான் அப்படிதானே பண்ணணும். There's no choice now. அல்ல தமிழ்ல
okay அப்போ நீங்க மியூசிக் பத்தி பேசணும்னு ஒன்னு சொல்றேன். I just when I entered and it's really an honor to know you because you're the daughter of the great one and only Usha Uthup ma'am and I'm a huge fan of Usha Uthup ma'am and I think she's one legend who has done something that nobody else in this world has done and nobody else in this world can do. And எனக்கு எவ்வளவு க்ளோஸ் நான் அவங்க பார்த்தால சொல்லிட்டு தீதிக்கு இப்படி அவ்வளோ க்ளோஸ் உன டே என்னடா படவா ராஸ்கல் like that she calls me and whenever she calls like that she is so wholehearted so அது ஒரு blessing மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதனால இட்ஸ் ஆனா நீங்களும் பாடுவீங்கல்ல போய் சொல்லுங்க
அதான் நான் இங்க இருக்கேன்
அப்ப சிம்பிளா ஒரு சாங் I think I'll teach what you say Rashmika should be Srivalli
yes
so with Srivalli's permission I'm going to teach you one line and she's going to sing ready என்ன கேரளம் என்ன கேரளம் இது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. நம்ம சிஜு துருவூர் சார் இருக்காரு. சிஜு துருவூர் சார் ரொம்ப நன்றி. பியூட்டிஃபுல் லிரிக்ஸ் யூ கேவ் அண்ட் சூப்பரா அந்த லிப்சிங் கூட எல்லாம் ஒரு வழி எங்க ஸ்டுடியோக்கு வந்து உட்கார்ந்து அவ்வளோ பேஷனேட் ஒர்க். ப்ளீஸ் கிவ் a big round of applause to சிஜு துருவூர் சார். ஸோ இதுல நம்ம பாட்டு ஒன்று கற்றுக்கணும். அது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. எல்லாரும் பண்ணணும். சவுண்டே எல்லாமே எல்லாமே அது అదే చల్లలో మామ చల్లలో కై తట్టున్నావు ఇది இதுதான் ஒரு பாட்டு, ரொம்ப தத்துவம் உள்ள பாட்டு, வெரி philosophical song.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, while he is on stage, we're going to see a couple of lines of his song on the screen. May we have the visuals, please?
Thank you.
We all know her with different names. Sanvi, Geeta, Pooja, or should I say Srivalli. Our beautiful Rashmika Mandana. Can we please have you on stage? God, you are really beautiful. Oh. All right, so the question for you is, what is your experience working with Allu Arjun and Sukumar sir?
It has been, first of all, Ellarikkum Namaskaram. Lovely to be here. It's been a while because, of course, all of you know that I'm from Coorg and I'm your neighbor. So it is lovely to be in a neighboring land. It is such an honor that we get to come to every state and sort of personally meet all of you and be a part of your celebration. So thank you so much for coming here. We apologize if it got a little late because of course the flight delays and all of that, but thank you for showing all your lovely faces. Now coming to Pushpa. As in your question, ma'am, was how was it working with Allu Arjun sir and Sukumar sir? Of course, it is going to be my, I think, career's biggest film.
Wow, can never began to that.
I think that itself explains how massive this is for me. First, I think I should start with our man, Allu Arjun sir. It has been absolute honor. I am so blessed to be doing a film like this with an actor like this because I think when you do a film like this and a character like this, you need actors who can teach you, who can feed you good information, who can feed you good knowledge, and I think who will help you become a better actor.
Yes, prop you up as you're doing your work.
And I know that I've become a better actor after this film, so I think all credits goes to you. Thank you so much. And Sukumar sir, of course, for the world he's created. Pushpa is a whole different world which we have never seen before, and we're going to have Pushpa 2, thank God. Yes. So I'm super grateful. He's a man of vision, I think. Like, he can just foresee magic and he can create it before we can see it. So I'm super glad that I could do this film with him. Devi Garu, thank you, Andy, for giving Sami. Thank you so much. I think before we started this film, you had told me, you'll give me one song and I better work hard in that song. I hope I worked hard, and it was also because of Arjun sir. He also made me work hard. So thank you so much again. Songs are amazing. You know it. You already passed with flying colors, so now it's our time. And also coming to my 3 movie makers, they've been pillars for this film. Their time, their effort, their money, everything, and I know how hard they've worked, and I hope they get double of the hard work they've done. And loads of love to all of them, loads of love to Kerala. It is so lovely being here, and thank you. Big thank you.
And since you did mention Kerala, we move on to the next part of our question. What do you have to say to the fans you're going to have in anticipation of this movie release? What do you have to say about your Kerala fans?
I think I keep a very close touch with my Kerala fans. I love them truly. I've got on a Zoom calls with them and personal chats with them, and they say how excited they are about Pushpa, and I think with this film you'll be a little more proud.
How lovely. Just to remind everybody, Pushpa releases on the 17th of December. Don't forget that. Make a beautiful stars. Before we call a few more people on stage, I'd like you to be here while we have the next clip of the song, please. On Adira Diljit to please honor Rashmika with the Bonada.
One last thing I'm excited to say is December 17th, our film is releasing and Appad Nunchi Manamas Ketele.
Five Filmfare Awards, 3 Nandi Awards, been on the Forbes India Celebrity List since 2014. Maybe born in 1982, but been in our hearts, a list that started in 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, very specially, our very own Bunny, Allu, Mallu, Arjun. I know about men being crazy about women. And I can understand that when you see the beautiful Rashmika. But with all this tardy and all of that, and see men still screaming, can we have a big hand for these fans? Allu Arjun. It's a great honor to be here. And as my colleagues who are here with me say to me, Anjali, you probably don't know anything about this man because you're 10 years older than him. But I do know a lot about you, and over to you. Please tell us something about your movie and, of course, everything else that goes with it.
Ellarukum namaskara. Thank you, Kerala. Thank you for all the love. Thank you. Romba nandri. And I'd like to sincerely apologize for the delay because there's a delay in the flight. In hopping cities, there's a fog. So I know it's been late and you've been very patiently waiting. Thank you so much for that first. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the entire media for taking this program into the hearts of Kerala people. Thank you. And when I say Kerala, the first thing that comes into my mind is my Kerala fans. In every place I have fans, but I think only in Kerala I think every Kerala is my fan. At least I feel that way. They make me feel that way. Thank you so much for making me feel like that. Thank you so much.
Allu, you're truly blessed because Malayalis are the kind
Absolutely.
of people, if I talk Malayalam, they'll say, Ayye Anjali, ariyamene, shariyaitilla. They don't feel happy that you're trying. They want you to be perfect. So, if you have made way into their heart, that means you are perfect. Because Malayalis are very critical of the people they love because they want only the best from the people that they love.
Thanks to Devi, I'm Mr. Perfect.
Yes. And now, Allu, I'd like to ask you, how is it different for you to promote your movie here compared to anywhere else?
Before we get to that question, I'd like to first say, I would like to start from where this journey started and why this journey today is so special. The entire craze in Kerala, the whole thing of watching a Telugu film in Kerala started with my movie Arya. It's the same trio combination of me, Sukumar and Devshree Prasad, which opened up the hearts of Kerala to me. And then we did Arya 2 and today it's the third film. And I'm very, very happy. I couldn't even imagine that day when I did Arya that after 20 films I will be here received with so much love. I didn't even think in my wildest dreams that I would be receiving so much love. Thank you so much. It's a very proud moment for me and every time when I come to Kerala, trust me, more than how special I am in Kerala, because I'm special in Kerala, the way Telugu people treat me has changed. They're like, sir, so many artists from Telugu film industry, they come up to me, sir, we went to Kerala the other day, they recognized me because of your films. We are so proud that, you become so popular in Kerala. So Kerala has got me a lot of love in Telugu itself. Thank you for that. It's my special USP. Thank you.
And now while we have the man himself here, I'd like for you to please play the trailer and then after that we have a few more little surprises coming.
To speak.
We will let you speak. The trailer kind it.
Party இல்லையா புஷ்பா பார்ட்டி இருக்குப்பா December 17th worldwide multiple languages This is the biggest part anybody can give. Banwar Singh Shekhawat, my dear Fafa. Now that I'm in Kerala, I'd like to publicly thank Fafa for being a big part of Pushpa and giving us a big energy on being a big part of Pushpa and making this movie even more bigger with his presence. He's a wonderful actor, an actor who I have a huge respect for. When we thought of this character, Banwar Singh Shekhawat, somewhere deep inside I wanted him to play this character. And somewhere I had a feeling that if he listens to the character, maybe he will be interested to play the character. And very fortunately, you know, he likes Sukumar sir a lot. He has huge respect for Sukumar sir, and he heard the film. And he said, I like the role, and that too, we're doing a film with no other, you know, the best possible Telugu actor because it's Bunny. And publicly, I'd like to thank him. Thank you, Fahad. Thank you so much for being a part of Pushpa. You know, you have given great energy into the film. You're a fantastic actor, and it was my absolute joy to see you perform live. What we did on screen, watch it on December 17th. Taggedele party. There's no bigger party that they can give than this. And talking about my artists, there have been lovely artists in this movie, and especially my Srivalli, Rashmika. This is Rashmika's style. Thank you so much, Rashmika. You have been such a lovely actress to work with. I always say I give a lot of credit to my actors, co-actors, because a lot of performance is only reaction, and reaction comes if you have a counter good actor. 60% of acting is, I would consider it as reacting, and reaction comes when you have the best actors. I'm very fortunate. I have great actors like Fafa, great actors like Rashmika, and many more actors in this film. If my performance tomorrow they say it's good in the film, I give the credit to, of course, my director and all my actors who have been supporting. Thank you so much, Srivalli.
Thank you.
And for the wonderful person that you are. You know, I've been promoting the film with you. I've seen you more on a personal side. I wish you all the best, and I'm very sure you will become the heart, not just of the National Crush, you'll become the heartthrob of Kerala also soon.
Yeah, that's a totally different country. That's God's own country.
I know it's a different country, that's why.
So you have to remember that. But you know, you were talking to me about the technical side of this movie.
Yes.
So please tell us about your technicians.
The most important technician, who is the reason for this whole thing to happen, the Arya film to happen, everything, is obviously my director Sukumar Garu. Is the most important thing that happened, because you know, I think my life, not just though Arya is my second film, Gangotri is my first film, but I was still a struggling actor at that stage, and my career entirely took off with that film Arya, and not just a film taking off, it took me to the hearts of Kerala people. I came into the hearts of Kerala people with that film. So I'd like to give credit for Sukumar Garu for giving me everything that I have today, and a lot of it goes to him. Thank you, Suku darling. Thank you so much for feel my love, just feel my love. I can't say anything more. And love taggedele. Your love really is taggedele, because every film is going up and you're taking me up and up and up. And most of my films, all through my career, I've worked with Devshree Prasad, who's not only just my music director, who's also a very, very, very close friend, an amazing musician, like somebody who can penetrate into your soul. He took me into the hearts of Kerala with the sound saying, "Feel my love." See, they're still feeling it. That's the power of Devi. And from there, we've done so many songs, especially from the song which was very popular in Kerala. I still remember during Arya 2 is My Love Is Gone. You know, that was one song where many people liked it. There's so many amazing numbers we did together, and today again we're doing it for Pushpa. Multiple songs, especially Thank you so much, each and everybody, and all my technicians, my crew. If I've forgotten anybody, please forgive me. December 17th, Pushpa party on day. December 17th, Pushpa taggedele.
So we know you
Oh no,
know.
I'll have to say that again. There was no punch in it.
Okay. Noise, everybody.
Pushpa. The
So we all know officially Pushpa is releasing in 270 plus theatres. But we have an Allu Arjun fan association in Kerala that is releasing the movie simultaneously in 83 places in Kerala. And we have them here for you. The three of them were representing the Kerala Fans Association, and this is a great privilege for them, and thank you so much for allowing this, really.
Thank you. I always say that, you know, everybody has fans, but I have an army. Thank you, my army.
Now, I'd like to invite Syed sir to please come on stage. Asiyat Kokar sir, whose voice I have been mesmerized. I know we've never talked about his voice, but ever since I was a young girl and I'd go anywhere and he would be announcing the awards or saying something, I used to say, oh my God, this voice is just one of the most amazing voices. And I never had the privilege of being on the same stage as him. We'd always be in the sound bin looking up at who was talking. Sir, thank you so much for being here. And we
Thank
will
you,
now...
and also I would like to thank all the Malayali, sir, you're right here. Thank you for writing wonderful lyrics, and all the Malayali technicians who've been dubbing this film with utmost quality, and my dubbing artists, and all of them, each and every technician who worked for the Malayali copy, and of course the person who's releasing it, E4 Entertainment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown. Thank you. I hope we win your hearts very soon on December 17th.
Correct. We are not going to, yes, no, I'm not going to let him go, but in the meanwhile, I need the hit maker, the musical hit maker, and of course, Srivalli. Please, Ingavango. All of you can start taking as many photographs you can, because this is a very special moment.
On the presence, actor Mohanlal. Actually, നമുക്കെല്ലാം അറിയാം മലയാളത്തിന്റെ മോഹൻലാൽ എപ്പോഴും ഒരു സൈഡ് തോളൊന്ന് ചരിച്ചാണ് ഹീറോ മാനറിസം. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ പുഷ്പരാജിനുണ്ട് ഒരു ചെറിയ മാനറിസം. ആക്ച്വലി പുഷ്പരാജ് മോഹൻലാൽ സാറിന്റെ ഫാനാണോ?
Sir, there is no South Indian actor who will not like Mohanlal sir. Because we have grown up watching these people. When I was young, these are the superstars we watched, you know, we saw and we grew up with. So there's no way that we cannot not love them. Sort of that league. There's an action sequence in the movie and we shot that in the forest, and we wanted to come to Kerala and shoot in the forest, but 2 times it got cancelled because in the pre-COVID and COVID conditions we couldn't shoot in Kerala. I really missed that one part, not shooting in Kerala. It's a very difficult thing to shoot in Kerala. It was very difficult to shoot because you know, there's no hotels in the forest. When you have to give accommodation for 350 people, the logistics are very huge. It is a very difficult film to shoot. So I hope you all like the output of it. Definitely it's a very challenging role because till now, whatever I did, it's still a little on the glamorous side. This is a totally de-glamorous role, and it's quite a challenging role for me in terms of dialect, look, body language. There are multiple layers in the movie which I had to get it. I think I managed. I hope you watched it tomorrow, and I hope you all see what all I've tried. I am genuinely, I am satisfied with what I've tried. I hope tomorrow when you say that, okay, he's done a good job, I think that's when I'll feel complete. Thank you.
It can't get more comfortable. Okay,
I am his comfort.
True. I think I should share 1 or 2 experiences, very, very short and sweet ones. First, see, whenever, as a composer, when I compose a song, I compose something based on the hero who's going to be in the song. The orchestration depends on that. And when it's Bunny, there are no limits to me, to my imagination, and I can just go wild. Because whatever I do, he will make it, you know, look good on the screen. And the best thing about Bunny is that if he likes something from the song, he really puts in all his heart and soul and hard work, and he tries to, keep on improvising it and does it. And whenever, another thing about Bunny is whenever he comes to Chennai, even if it is for some other film for which I'm not the music director also, as soon as he lands, he calls me, "Hey Devi, what are you doing?" And he comes straight to my studio, and we have some snacks and all that. Then we chat forever, and that's why he's so sweet and so dear to me. And when we are making songs, he comes to the studio, we play, and let me see, I thought of this, and he dances in front of us. So all my team, everybody gets excited. When a hero is like that, then it also pushes us, right? Then, okay, let us do this, let us do that. So that's our relationship. It's musical, it's professional, and that bonding is different.
1 minute.
Working for
How was it working with Fahad Faasil?
He was a fantastic actor in the first place. And I was pretty surprised to see many aspects that generally actors from other languages, they don't learn the lines. They just take prompting. Prompting means somebody else says the lines, they just hear it and they say it. Not even one single word of Telugu he took prompting. All the time he used to write his dialogues, learn it, come, speak on the set. Like he spoke Telugu just like any other Telugu person, which is impossible. I have never seen any other non-language artist do it so well. All due credits to him. And to work with, he's a very, very down-to-earth, very simple, very focused actor.
Allu sir, Pradesh here only. The first person who asked the question.
Yes.
Okay. So 70 days ഫോറസ്റ്റിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു സിനിമ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. ആൻഡ് ഇതിന്റെ സംഘടന രംഗങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു അതും ഭയങ്കര ചലഞ്ചിങ് ആയിരുന്നു. എത്രമാത്രം റിസ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു ഈ സിനിമയുടെ ഷൂട്ടിംഗ്?
Okay, so he said the whole shooting was done in 70 days in the forest. What were the risks associated with doing this over there?
Biggest risk was COVID.
ഇവിടെ അതും ഇല്ല. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും please wear your masks. Please.
The biggest risk over there was COVID. And also apart from that, the risk is always there. There could be a snake behind you, there could be a buck below you. Shooting in a forest is very unpredictable. It could suddenly rain, you could be short-circuited. So there are multiple aspects that you always have to be aware about. More than anything, there will be spiders everywhere. So when you're walking, there's a lot of spider webs and suddenly there's a spider on your face. I think at least more than 15-20 times it would have happened to me. Luckily, they're not poisonous.
One, 2, 3.
ഇത് കമ്പസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ
Question first claps bar. Everybody should clap for her. She entertained us. The payment undo. The payment വേണ്ട music gift അപ്പേതിക്ക് payment. അയ്യോ എനിക്ക് വേണം music director. Music വേണ്ട music director വേണം.
ഇത് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആക്ച്വലി അല്ലു അർജുൻ മൂവീസ് എല്ലാം ഒരു ഹീറോയുടെ സോങ്സ് ആണല്ലോ കൂടുതൽ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഹീറോയിൻ സോങ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഹൗ വാസ് യുവർ എന്താ പറയുക, സാറിന് ആ സമയത്ത് സാറിന്റെ മൈൻഡിൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു?
கொஞ்சம் புரியுது புரியல. அப்படியே கமல் சார் அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம் இப்படியும் சொல்லலாம் ஒரு 50-50 only understood.
No, so what she says, when you hear this song, you're actually thinking of it to be a
heroine song.
A heroine song. You think it's going to be made on a heroine. But
because Allu Arjun is there, generally we make hero songs, but we are making for a heroine. Is that what you asked? Okay.
What was in your mind at that time?
Yeah, no, actually what happens is, even though, see, the beauty about a heroine song in a film is, the heroine is anyway singing about the hero. So indirectly it becomes a hero song. So the lyrics and everything is shot at the hero. So then only things I feel like a girl while making the song.
Well, you have to be very smart about that. I, it, he, me, she kind of world. So I think it has to suit everybody. Yeah.
No, that's how we should feel, right? When I make an item song, I feel like an item boy.
That's a good one. Lovely. Thank you. We have 2 questions.
But sorry ma'am, sorry.
Yeah.
But you should watch her dance, and though it's a heroine song, you'll be mind blown by his dance also. So both of them have rocked. BGMs la Allu Arjun yo tagiyadala. நீங்க அப்ப part 3 கூட சொன்னீங்க. That didn't know.
this is only part 1. We have part 2 also. And soon after part 1, we will give an announcement about part 2. Let's see how part 1, what you will say about part 1. According to that, we will change also a little in part 1. Any mannerism question? I have been doing it for last 1 year. With the dialogue. You want it? Last, I'll definitely give it to you. And you know, a lot of people, I just wanted to say, I was even sharing with Devi a little while ago. When they say a lot of fans in Kerala, what visually comes is the men that always come with banners and everything like that. But apart from that, what I've noticed is there are a lot of fans who are female, who are largely female. I'd like to thank them, all of them, each and every one of them, for all the love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any more questions?
And Rashmika, how's your experience with Mallu Arjun and Papa?
Experience, sir. I think I should just say I am super blessed to be working with Allu Arjun sir, and in this film in a total, because first, like I was telling him the award function, it was this pre-release function that when sir came as a chief guest in Geeta Govindam, I was just wishing that I get to work with sir, and today I'm here promoting a film that I've done with sir, which I feel extremely proud of. I think that, and you know, getting to do such a different character with an actor who's a perfectionist like this, I think is an extreme, you know, learning journey, but at the same time, extremely exciting journey. So I think I'm super excited about the 17th. And Papa sir, I still, you know, didn't get to...
No, don't give all the surprises. Let them see it in the film.
Oh, okay, 17th, everybody.
You've already done 250 crores worth of business before the movie has released. So what is your expectation?
Ma'am, my expectation is not about 200, 250, 300, ma'am. What I would like to say is what I'm working for and what I would like to be is, ma'am, we're all coming together as South cinema. And this is the biggest film that's coming from South cinema in 2021, and the entire country is going to watch it. It's not a Malayalam film, it's not a Telugu film, it's not a Kannada film, Malayalam film. It's a film that's coming from the South, which is going to be released all over, not just the South, but it's going to release all over India. And even North Indian audience are going to watch it. It's a representation from South, but it's a multi-language, you know, all over the country, pan-Indian film. And madam, eventually what is going to be standing out is not Telugu cinema, Malayalam cinema, Kannada cinema, Hindi cinema. It's going to be Indian cinema. I want Indian cinema to put us, I'm here, my attempt is to put Indian cinema on a highest pedestal. 200 crores, 250 crores is not the potential of Indian cinema. Indian cinema's potential is much. I am billing it 10 to 100 times more. I want to see the potential of Indian cinema come out. Thank you.
So finally, you could have people when they say you're South Indian, we're going to be very proud of it because we are South Indian.
Yes, we are South Indians, and I want all of us to be proud that we are.
And we're united.
Yes, we are Indians first, and then we're proud South Indians. Thank you.
Sir, one more question.
Okay.
Papa changing the role, is he dubbed in all languages or only Malayalam?
Very nice question. Fafa has dubbed for himself in all the languages. Thank you. And just like how you asked to fulfill your promise, December 17th.
Sit down, please.
Pushpa.
Don't jump. Sit. Please don't. He's here. Mukesh sir, how do you feel today after seeing this amazing evening, the way it turned out? Wait, sir.
I'm very happy and I'm very sure. I'm very sure that as Allu Arjun sir said that Pushpa is not a Telugu film, Pushpa is a pan-Indian film, and this number of people who will see Pushpa will be the highest as far as I am concerned, not only in Kerala, but across the world. And I am wishing Allu Arjun sir his biggest success of his career in Pushpa. I end with that. I thank the entire media, the press for coming and waiting for us. I am once again thankful to all of you.
The last, I'd like to thank once again. I thank the entire media, all the press, and ma'am, thank you so much for comparing us. Thank you. And of course, the last bite to all my fans. I love you all. Thank you. Pushpa, December 17th, Mimmal Kalusthanu. I'm going to meet you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you.